Thank you for joining me in this meditation to make someone you love come back. When listening to this meditation, completely relax and surrender to the universe. Visualize your person and see them right in front of you as you repeat after me in your mind or out loud. Now let's begin. Dear universe, I pray for the current pain in my heart to be removed. I pray you will send light back into my life and fill my void. I trust you will give them the guidance and the wisdom to walk back to me. I pray they enter my life and give me the love I have been missing. Dear universe, I pray you return my loved one to me. I pray that you show them that their true love is waiting for them in me. Please, universe, guide them to me now and make them feel my love now. I believe and have faith in you, universe. I know it is already done. Type "they love me now" and "they will love me forever" to affirm this meditation. And if you would like me to manifest for you personally, head to joybyjanell.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.